Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today, my teams and I will present about packaging entitled The Effect of Food Packaging on Health. Before I start discussing this topic, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Nu'atira binti Muhammad Nasruddin.
I am Nurin Alia Shazwina binti Shuhaidi.
I am Nur Syami binti Omar.
I am Jaira Dinordin.
What is definition of packaging? Definition of packaging is the process of designing, manufacturing and producing materials used to enclose, protect and exhibit objects or goods is referred to as packaging. It entails the creation of containers, wraps, boxes, bottles, label or any other materials used to store, transport and market things from manufacturers or suppliers to end users or customers. Packaging serves several functions including containment, convenience, protection, marketing and promotion, and also information. Containment retains the product and secures it, preventing it from spilling, leaking, or scattering. Next is convenience. Packaging improves a product's usefulness and convenience for customers. After that, packaging serves several functions is protection. During handling, transportation and storage, packaging protects the product from physical damage, environmental elements, and potential contamination. In addition, marketing and promotion. For marketing and promotion, packaging can be used for branding, marketing, and product distinction. And the last one is information. Packaging contains important information about the product such as its name, brand, ingredients, usage directions, safety, warnings, and other pertinent information.
There are various types of food packaging used to store, protect, and preserve food products. Some common types of food packaging include primary, secondary, and tertiary. For primary packaging, this refers to the immediate layer of packaging that direct contact that food product. Example, cans, bottle, pouches, cotton tray, and jam cells. For secondary packaging, this refers to outer layer of packaging that contain that protect multiply primary package. Example, cardboard box, shrink wrap. For tertiary packaging, this involve packaging used for shipping, transportation, and bulk handling of food product. For example, pallets and string. There are some factors that can food packaging to help, which is the temperature of the food, how long to keep in the safe packaging, the method of the use handle the food packaging, and the individual sensitive for certain chemicals. Explanation for number 1. The higher the temperature of the food, the more likely is that the harmful chemical will leach from the food packaging material in the food. For number 2, the longer the food is stored in the packaging, the more likely is that harmful chemical will leach from the food packaging material into the food. Number 3, if food packaging is not handled properly, it can become contaminated with bacteria or other harmful microorganisms. It can lead from the foodborne illness, which is the major public health problem. Number 4, some people may be more sensitive into the chemical packaging than others. This is especially true for pregnant women, children, and people with certain health conditions.
Every day, you are most likely exposed to some type of packaging material such as plastic, boxes, cans, and cartons. However, the packaging has the shortest lifespan. A huge amount of packaging is used once and then wasted. This trash is not only harmful to landfills and the seas, but it may also be harmful to human health. Food packaging increases the product's shelf life, allowing for more distribution and less food waste. Surprisingly, this food packaging causes a new major waste problem, which we must resolve. Chemical components in packing materials can leak into our meals. One of the most common examples is the hormone-disrupting plasticizers, bisphenol A or BPA. Some of the chemicals have been suspected of causing endocrine disruption, which has been linked to cancer, birth defects, immune system disorders, and developmental problems in children. Styrene from polystyrene and plasticizers from PVC are examples of plastics that can contaminate food. government limits the use of such materials in food packing materials to reduce this risk. Chemical leaching. Some food packaging materials such as plastics may contain toxic substances that leach into the food. These substances have been linked to a variety of health problems, including cancer and developmental abnormalities. Foodborne sickness can occur when food packaging is improperly sealed or stored, allowing bacteria and other harmful microorganisms to infect the meals. This can result in foodborne illness. Some people are allergic to specific food packaging materials such as latex or certain polymers. An allergic reaction can cause minor to severe symptoms such as swelling and difficulty breathing. Overconsumption. Food packaging that is appealing or makes food appear easier to get can make it simpler to eat too much. Weight gain and obesity are key risk factors for chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. The future of food packaging has the potential to significantly improve health outcomes. As technology and innovation evolve, the following are some significant trends and innovations impacting the future of food packaging for health. For example, sustainable and eco-friendly materials. There is a growing emphasis on developing environmentally friendly and long-lasting packaging materials. Disposable and recyclable substances such as bio-based polymers and plant-derived fibers are being researched as replacement to standard packaging materials. These materials can reduce packaging waste and environmental impact while protecting customer safety and health. Other example is active and intelligent packaging. Food safety and shelf life are being improved through the development of active and intelligent packaging solutions. Active packaging includes ingredients or technologies that actively interact with the food to prevent degradation or disease growth. Intelligent packaging, on the other hand, uses sensors and indicators to provide real-time data on the condition and quality of food, allowing consumers to make more informed purchasing decisions. These advancements have the potential to minimize food waste and increase food safety, ultimately improving public health. Next, packaging is predicted to become more interactive and adapted to specific customer requirements as personalized nutrition and individual dietary demands grow more popular. Through technology like QR codes and integrated sensors, smart packaging system may deliver personalized information such as ingredient specifications, nutritional content, allergy alerts, and even recipe recommendations. This can help people make better decisions and manage their health more successfully.
The importance of choosing food packaging. Choosing safe food packaging is critical for preserving our health and ensuring the integrity of the food we eat. Here are some of the main reasons why choosing safe food packaging is critical for our health. Firstly, contamination prevention. Proper packaging is critical in preventing food contamination from physical, chemical, or biological dangers. It serves as a barrier between the food and external contaminants such as germs, chemicals, or foreign particles. Properly designed and constructed packaging aids in the preservation of food quality and safety by reducing the danger of contamination throughout the supply chain. Next is foodborne disease prevention. Packaging that fulfills safety requirements reduce the risk of foodborne illness caused by microbiological pathogens. It keeps unwanted bacteria, viruses, and parasites out of food, where they might proliferate and cause sicknesses. Thirdly, chemical migration should be minimized. Food packaging should be free of dangerous compounds that may migrate from the packaging materials into the food. Certain chemicals used in packaging such as bisphenol A, BPA, or pellets might cause health hazard if they seep into the food. Other than that, allergen control. Safe food packaging is especially crucial for people who have food allergies or sensitivities. Proper labeling and packaging practice can help reduce cross-contamination between allergic and non-allergic goods, allowing people with allergies to make more informed decisions and avoid being exposed to allergies that can cause severe responses. Lastly, consumer confidence and trust. Safe food packaging increases consumer trust in the items they buy. When customers believe that the packaging is meant to safeguard their health and safety, they have more faith in the food's quality and dependability. This trust is necessary for customers to establish a favorable connection with food makers or sellers.
Now, I would like to discuss some ways to overcome the problem of food packaging to health. The first thing, reduce the use of single-use packaging. Instead of single-use plastic, encourage the use of recyclable or recyclable packaging materials. This may be accomplished through public awareness campaign. The next way is choose several packaging materials. Food packaging materials that are known to be safe and cause low health hazard should be priorities. This includes the use of material devoid of hazardous chemicals like BPA and phthalates. After that, improve labeling and transparency. Label food packaging clearly and accurately to notify customer about the contents and any health. This enables customer to make educated decisions and avoid items with potentially dangerous packaging. The next way is support sustainable packaging innovation. Invest in R&D to find sustainable packaging options that are both safe for health and ecological beneficial. This might involve creating bio-based or biodegradable packaging materials. And the last one is educate consumers. Raising public awareness or the possible health danger connect with specific food packaging material. For example, educate customers on how to recognize and select several packaging solutions and urge them to reduce waste by purchasing in bulk or using reusable containers.
The preservation of food safety, wholesomeness and quality must remain its major goals for packaging. Any item that comes into touch with food should in general not leak chemicals into the food in amounts that endanger human health. Therefore, it is crucial to comprehend the chemical makeup of the packaging material. Other than that, the quantities at which this chemical might partition into foodstuff or process known as migration in order to determine the health effect connection to food packaging.